guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are not going to be doing a cooking video, but instead I'm going to share with you my absolute favorite place to shop for groceries in Yogyakarta. This place is called Giant Ekspres, and there are so many reasons why this is my favorite. One of the reasons I love Giant Ekspres is because the parking is free, there's no parking attendants, there's lots of parking for cars, and there's also a lot of parking spaces for motorcycles. Let's go on inside. One of the great things about shopping at Giant Ekspres is there is a ton of variety of fresh vegetables and fruit. I love it that the volume of the music in here isn't super loud, and it's air conditioned, you guys. That is such a plus. It makes the shopping experience here really enjoyable. Giant usually also carries a good variety of meat and fish as well. They carry all the normal kinds of foods that you would find here in grocery stores, like lots of ramen noodles and canned goods like canned sardines and things like that. They also have a lot of cookies and stuff. They also carry a lot of spices and seasonings that we use all the time here. This is where we almost always buy Machi's cat food, and then they also have a ton of different soaps, detergents, things like that that we need for our house. They also carry all the types of personal hygiene products that we'd need, like toothpaste, shampoo, soaps, conditioners, all that. It's complete here. So one of the best things about shopping here is the ease of the checking out experience. There are hardly ever any long lines, and the staff, the cashiers, are always super nice and friendly. Of course, there's lots of other places to shop in Yogyakarta, and you can go to a traditional market, but one of the things that I love about shopping here is that I can come here all throughout the day. A lot of times at traditional markets, it's best if you go early in the morning and then they close for the entire day, and then they'll open back up at night. And my mornings tend to be really busy, and so I love it that I can just pop in to Giant and pop out all throughout the day. Also, Giant is not inside of a mall, and so I don't have to go into a mall in order to come shop here. So that makes coming here, I guess, express, just like its name sounds, Giant Ekspres. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Giant Ekspres, for giving me permission to come in here and to film, because I really wanted to share with you guys, the viewers of this channel, my experience of shopping for groceries in Indonesia, in Yogyakarta, because this is my favorite place to shop. If you guys have ever been to a Giant or a Giant Ekspres before, please tell me in the comments. If you haven't and you're coming to Indonesia, I highly recommend them. So I hope you guys have a great day. Please give me a thumbs up and keep smiling.